Hi, I've been thinking about our next adventure. And guess what? We going to Switzerland, just you and me. Our dream trip is finally coming true. We will travel during next winter vacation, maybe in late December. Imagine spending New Year's Eve in the Alps. Of course, I'm going with you, my best travel buddy. Is going to be awesome. I will go to Chihiri, Lucerne, and Interlaken, and of course Zermatt to see the Matterhorn. If we visit Interlaken, we can try paragliding over the snowy mountains. It will be thrill and total Instagram world. We will walk around old towns, explore castle, and take train ride. I Greece. The local poultry greet you even if you're tourist, and we will take the experience one of the most beautiful train genres in the world. Switzerland used to be a poor farming country, but now is one of the richest nations in the world. And did you know it's famous for staying natural in words? That's why it has four official languages. We must try real Swiss cheese, fondue, and chocolate. But we must not for, forget to drink enough water at high altitude. You don't need to bring too many clothes or more important. Also, we have to try Rusty, which are traditional Swiss potato dish. If we go to the mountains, we should rent snow boots to stay warm. Maybe we had better book our tickets early to read the Bonina Express. Perhaps we could visit a drummer spa near the Alps and relax after hiking. And honestly, I think you will need a long nap after our trip. It will be so full of excitement. We will buy some Swiss Army knives and music box for our families. And you will take a ton of pictures, especially with the snowy landscapes and cute village. So are you ready to pack your bags? Switzerland is waiting for us with its mountains, chocolate, and magic view. Let's make memory that we will never forget. I'm so excited to go with you. Thank you for all semester.